Welcome back to another video, and in this video we are gonna transform this very ugly and messy corner in something more useful. This video is gonna be the first part out of 3 where we're gonna transform this whole wall into a more usable place, but in this video we're gonna get started with this side. I think everyone knows the chair where you throw your clothes on that you might wear again, and for us we don't have a chair, but we do have 2 messy places where we store our clothes that we will wear again, and I hate it. It looks messy and it's not nice. So this corner is gonna transform into something where we can put our clothes. It's gonna be behind the door, so it's gonna be hidden. Plus on the bottom we are gonna be adding 2 shelf boxes for storage, and the same thing on top. Same thing is also gonna continue all the way along the wall, but that is gonna be in the next video. Let's now get started with this side. First, clean it up. Look what I found, Millie! Her favorite toy.
So here we have our package. This is all the shelves. So 30 by 30 we did the shelves, so it's easy for us to cut. So it's 30 wide by 30 square in every way, height, and it's just a square box. So it's easy for us to cut them out. This is also pre-locked wood, so this is already clear coated. So nice laminate, really smooth feeling. So let's get started and start assembling. We didn't cut the big in between, which is gonna host the dirty clothes rack, kind of, you know. But because we don't know exactly the height that's going to add up, so we're going to first build the 3 boxes. So 2 on the bottom, 1 on top, and then in between we're just going to see whatever's left, what we need to be the height. So that's the easiest without measuring and doing all the calculations. Let's get started.
Pretty smart.
Theoretically, it worked. But it looks pretty good overall, no?
Yeah. So what we want to do, we want to lift it off a bit so it's not directly on the floor.
Yeah.
But let's do that box on top.
Better than I expected, honestly. It has to actually support my weight, like no problem. I feel stable. It's pretty good. Floor is sideways. It literally needs to be like this. You need to just put
Wait,
like
we need
something
to put the
under.
legs. We need to lift it off a bit.
No, legs, but also under the leg on the corner we'll need to put something like a pod to make it nice and straight like that.
Okay, let's now do the top box, then do the bottom leggies, and then we'll know the gap for the in-between, and then finally do the sticks that we actually wanted.
Yes, this is because we're doing it.
We forgot to put glue.
No, it's an option.
We were not thinking about it. Maybe in the other ones that we make, we put glue.
I don't know, it's not really needed. It just would make them indestructible. So you like it see-through or you like it with the back? Now you have an option.
I like it see-through, but our wall is not straight.
Well, currently it's sitting sideways because the floor is not straight. Nothing is actually straight. Except me. Electricity runs out, we still have a way of cutting things. Until this blade goes dull. Which has already probably happened.
Oh, that was fast.
We are gonna attach a few sticks here, but I came up with a cool idea where you could router in some lines, like a click in line, then you lift it up, then you move it, then you click it in, and you have it in different locations, so you can adjust it based on what you want to hang in there.
But are we gonna do that?
No, we're just gonna screw it on.
We just have the idea, but not gonna do it. Okay, I think we had the idea to do like one back, one front, one back, one front. Something like that, but I think...
You like them in middle?
Well, more in the
Front? No, middle.
middle, I guess. But we could do one a bit more front and one a bit more back.
But you just do... Then you just do like one for jeans, and other jeans.
You know, one for jumpers, one for t-shirts, and
I guess...
one...
I don't know.
And by the way, we had these sticks from our bedroom from the cloth rug that we removed, so plan on reusing those.
Will it improve the stability of this furniture piece?
We are about to find out.
Looks like we're making a monkey playground. No, that's symmetrical. It definitely did strengthen it up.
Moment of truth. How will it look?
Oh, surprisingly stable for being not attached to anything.
It's kind of leaning.
It's a leaning tower of Pisa.
It's a Pisa tower. Oh my goodness, it's leaning.
It's the floor.
With the eyeball, you can see it better than in the camera, I think.
Hey, don't judge it too harsh. You can see everything.
Because on the bottom, it's starting perfectly with the door.
Oh, yeah.
It is a Pisa tower.
Wow. I mean, let's attach it to the wall, I guess.
So, as you can see, we are done. It's functioning exactly the way I wanted it. With these circle rugs, we put three, as you saw, 3 different levels. The idea is kind of to put my more outdoor clothes that I put for kind of working, not the too dirty ones, there, then my inside ones or some jumpers that I wore only once or twice. So this is kind of the idea. Plus we have the top one and the bottom ones. As I said, it functions amazingly, but it might not look the best because it's still work in progress. We do want to make boxes for the bottoms to slide in and out the socks. As you see, we have put wool socks on the bottom, but I want that hidden. I want to have it as hidden as possible. We could also put a door here, but that would kind of defeat the purpose of a quick access of the clothes that you need daily. Plus, we are going to be attaching it to the wall. It's not going to stay like that, but yesterday in the evening when we finished, it was Saturday, today is Sunday, so the shops are closed. We do have the smaller ones, but we do want to secure it very well to the wall, so we have to do a trip to the store and get the proper ones to attach it with 1 or 2 screws to the wall so it does not move. But for now, no one's going to be playing with it. It's not going to fall down, and we might also do this whole attaching once everything is to its place, so we are sure we like it. And yeah, we're not going to continue more on it now because we want to do a final touch on everything once all the boxes are done. We also want to cover the sides. We are going to cover the fronts, but for now this side is done. We are going to be moving on in the next video on the other side. So let us know in the comments down below what you think. I definitely think it looks much better than the mess we had before. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're going to see you in the next one.